of your MPBL Monday, coming to you live from the Strike Gym in Bacoor, Cavite. Coach Trish did mention that the pace of De Leon gets it back. Now it's Balti. Free throw line shot is good. It went to Garcia, who gets it back now. The three-point line. Three-pointer is good for MJ Garcia.
So a fourth shot on the other end leads to an open score by Pampanga to open up this ball game.
While Sanga, he answers back on the other end.
And that's the three you don't mind because you can say that's a
Strike Gym. The Bacoor City Strikers have only lost once in this.
No, and you see Baltasar in the previous possession with his fifth point. That's something I would not mind.
Just misfires. Back and forth we go. Archie Concepcion. Bounce pass to Balti. Basket and one.
You can't blame Paul Sanga because he just made the first one. But a lot.
The defense by Pampanga. Tough pass. Turnover. Balti. He fakes. One-hander is good.
This was just a poor pass from the full court by Tayong Tong. You mentioned it just came in. Makes a move. Loses it a little bit. But sticks with it. A guy who could score if he wants to. 20 points. But magkabilang dulo to
Oh, north to south. As Archie Concepcion scores inside. Mac Barakael going to Jackie Laude. Short stab is good. Laude on the run. Tayong Tong. He stops. He scores. It's 2+1.
This is just a poor pass. Obviously, Laude with the steal, with the assist, and a strong finish by Tayong Tong.
Just inside. Good feed. Santos with a sorry miss, but Baltasar was there.
See, that's the problem. On the strong side,
Joko. They go to Bonsubre. High-low. Espina scores.
yeah, and I was about to say, I'm not used to being on the other side talking about Gabi. I played a ton of years in the PBA as well.
There's Pampanga. Kurt Rayson from downtown. Bonsubre. He goes to Gabi. Challenging the defense of Balti. Espina scores.
Ayun, medyo inatake niya yung inside foot nitong si Baltasar. Was able to get the step and a good angle off the glass.
26-14 now. Peter Manala, good catch. That was a beautiful pass from Achi Inigo.
Binubuhat ko lang yan dati.
May papanoorin pang Imus from Cavite commencing at 8 p.m. later on as Real Cervantes makes his first shot. The Pampanga Giant Lanterns run. Baltasar onto Rayson. Three-pointer is good. 13-19. Jason Apolonio against Paul Sanga. That's also a good matchup. Inside he scores. Describing the physicality of the MPBL as on a different level as Balti receives the outlet pass and he scores again.
Think about that. Catch the basketball and still be in balance to finish it with his offhand.
36-27, MJ Garcia, top of the key three-pointer. That's his second three-point bomb in this game.
So there's your answer.
Into the MPBL. Oh,
Turnover.
Tough pass, Garcia to Apolonio. So escapes the defense and Jason scores. He's also not shying away from the physicality in this game. As Apolonio fires, high looper is good. Archie Concepcion. Pampanga getting Balti with a screen onto MJ Garcia, who spins and misses. Minus was there for the putback. 5 on the shot clock. Real Cervantes, kick out. Espinas from downtown. That is good. He was Pampanga's all-star last season. Good breakaway for Caloocan. That's an easy 2 for Mac Barakael. They go back up top. Sidestep for Balti. He still scores.
Not enough to force the miss. Right there. Could have been a blocking foul too.
Espinas trying to back down on the other end. Fadeaway shot. Short. Rebound Cervantes. But this was the previous sequence. The miss by Gabi Espinas. But Cervantes was there. Good for Cervantes City as he was feeling under the weather. Kurt Rayson on the catch. Three-pointer is good. The great cross. And between the legs for Rayson, finding Archie from downtown. Previous outing was 7 out of 8 from the stripe. Here's Archie Concepcion against Cervantes. Long strides from the MPBL All-Star 20-point ball game with 5.5 minutes remaining in the third. Archie Concepcion going to the left. Joseph at that. He just misses. Rebound, recovery for Pampanga. That's 2 points for Justin Baltazar. Yeah, Tayong still has it. Going to his roller, Ronnie Matias. Second try is good.
Better execution that time by
Archie Concepcion. Consubre now with Cabanag. Jennifer, bounce pass, good play. And the reverse layup is good for June Consubre. This was that layup by June Consubre, who is also a returning player here in the MPBL. Out there on the pressure defense. Apolonio, they force a steal. Manalang is fouled. It's basket and one.
Wisely walks away from Laude. Look at this one. The turnover forced by the pressure of Laude leads to the three-point play.
Off his defender. Re-screen for Ronnie Matias. Three-pointer. That's good for Team 5.
11-point game. Balik pa rito kung makastop itong Caloocan. Pero Apolonio breaks.
A teammate now. They go to Reyes. Swing to the left. Apolonio. Three-pointer. And he looks at Jaggy Laude.
Which again, to me, is interesting.
Okay. We proceed with our fourth quarter as MJ Garcia scores. Lead is 16. Game 5 on the leaner. Hits down again. After 5 makes that shot. Apolonio, 18-point game. Cabanag. Jennifer, double cross. His pull-up is good. Lantern as well. Real on the post against Baltazar. Tough move. He makes it.
You have the camera on him. Even while trying to... This was the move by Cervantes.
Cabanag using the pick. There it is. Oh, Cervantes taking his time. And he makes it. Right on cue.
Akalox.
Rayson now defended by Cabanag. Kurt Rayson trying to dance with that basketball. A sorry miss, but the putback was there for Baltazar.
On the offensive glass.
We have another 20-20 game for Baltazar. 20th board, 23rd point for Balti. Now it's Real Cervantes who has come alive. He's been very aggressive. Inside they go. Cervantes, size advantage. He scores against Mitchell Minus. Oh, the lead is 9. Kurt Rayson. Tough move against Achi Inigo, and he scores. But still, could not trim the lead ultimately. Paul Sanga with a big-time 3. Concepcion inside, Minus feed to Balti for an easy 2.
To the other side, 2-on-1 break. Ball finds him again. Easy 2 for another monster 2020 game.
Game is decided. There will be 2 last points for Caloocan.